Hello everybody. I am recording this video on request of all the teachers teaching in Vidya Mandir, like Bade Bhaiya, Chote Bhaiya and Gurvinder, Vivek, everybody, Sandeep has requested. And see, the IT exam is over and I hope you would have done great. But now it's a AIEEE, right? So when I say over, it means over. Over means it should be over from your head. If you keep it in your head, whether you have performed good or bad, it won't let you prepare for AIEEE. And AIEEE is equally important than IIT. Those who have performed, I'll say average or poor, then for them AIEEE is the chance left. So they have to do their maximum, right? And those who have performed good and even they don't plan to go into AIEEE, even they're okay to take any rank they get in IIT, I'll suggest they have to prepare. First of all, see, if you ask me, I'll say rank in rank in 1000 in AIEEE is better than getting a 5000 rank in IIT, because see, most of the colleges in AIEEE are A-grade colleges, so you might get a better discipline, better branch through AIEEE as compared to IIT. So why not go for it? Other thing is, like, you have prepared for these examinations from last 2 years. So why don't you give all exams seriously, right? And see, the rank is something which you will always, the AIEEE rank is something which you will always remember for your life. That when I gave exam on this and this year, I got this and this rank. Especially when you will get a good rank. So for those who have performed good in IIT, they have to still give AIEEE because they have to get good rank. But those who have performed average or even below average, for them there is a very big reason to prepare for AIEEE, right? So don't feel disheartened, don't feel disappointed. Still you have a chance at AIEEE, and AIEEE is a kind of exam. If you slog, if you work hard at last stages, you end up performing good, you end up performing better, right? So my suggestion is that you have to, in the remaining days, you have to prepare as you were preparing for IIT JEE before the exam. That not 3-4 hours, it's like more than 10 hours. Do whatever, like show whatever you have, like whatever energy you can put, just show that. It's just 10-12 days, right? So, and other thing is that AIEEE, like in AIEEE, the level of questions is generally lower than IIT. So you would know most of the questions to solve, but you have to solve 90 questions in 3 hours. So 30 questions in each subject in 1 hour. Most of the question you know how to solve. So if you have a speed to solve them, you can solve them many questions. And more you attempt, and a better score you will get. So to have in practice of AIEEE, you have to, every day you take a test. And you can buy a 10-year guide, AIEEE last 10-year guide, and make sure that every day you take a AIEEE test. And other than that, the topics, theoretical topics in physics and chemistry which were not part of the IT syllabus, you can do that. So and don't spend too much time on practicing mathematics. Whatever you practice in mathematics, just do in the form of test, because the level of paper would be much simpler than the IT. So at last stages, as the time is less, whatever knowledge you can gain by reading things, right, you have to do that. So practice whatever you do in the form of test. And see, this time, the IT exam, it was really a difficult exam as compared to last year. Definitely it's a difficult exam, or I can say low scoring exam, and number of questions were also more. So you cannot predict what rank you will get. So if you try to speculate your rank, things can go wrong. And because on the basis of the speculation, if you're deciding whether you have to prepare for IT or not, AIEEE or not, this is not good idea, because there might be surprises when on 26th May the result will be declared. So just make your mind and go for it, and make sure that, and then make a point that I have to score a good rank in AIEEE, right? And 12 days means like 10 hours a day, 120 hours can change a lot, can make a lot of difference in your preparation, believe me. And just don't discuss it's IIT JEE is over. If you want to spend more time, just spend half a day more, but but you have to finally get away of it, right? Get away from it. Over is over. just get away from your head and just sit down and do it. And for parents also, I'll say the parents should also support that. Don't if child has not performed good in IIT JEE, don't create that kind of atmosphere that he could not study for AIEEE. And another thing is that make sure that he's spending time on AIEEE. He's not spending those, like if your child has started doing things which as if the exam is finally over, then make sure that he's spending time on AIEEE.